Lumiform. Conduct inspections and audits digitally and easily in a snap.
But let's have a closer look. The home screen of your Lumiform mobile app shows you and your colleagues your to-dos, so all the inspections and issues that got assigned to you and which you have to conduct or solve. Also, it shows the started inspections and issues and the templates that are available for you and can be conducted at every time. Also, you can raise issues on the fly, so you can just click on this icon and then type in a title, write a description, assign it to your colleague, and you can work together on the troubleshooting of this issue. In our case, we want to select the checklist that we just defined, the annual review of the emergency exits. If you created more than one site in the Lumiform system, you get asked on which site you are. So we just select the site and then swipe to the right, and the first check or the first query of our checklist gets displayed. Are all emergency exits free of obstacles? In our case, we click yes. We always have the chance to add photo and text comments to all our queries, but we also have the chance to raise an issue to a specific check. So in this case, we could say small obstacles, please solve. We can select a site. We can assign a user. And we can mark the issue as important. If you click done, the icon gets blue, and now you see that this issue gets triggered as soon as we submit the checklist. We swipe to the right again, and now we see our second check. So are all fire extinguishers in good condition? In this case, we click no because we predefined the logic, so we want to see it. We swipe to the right and see that we should make a photo of the affected extinguisher. In this case, I open an example image and I shoot the image. I also have the chance to draw into images and say, here is the mistake. Click done. And now you see that the image is added to the check. If I swipe to the right again, we are at the end of our checklist, so we can submit it already. And now it gets displayed that the checklist is safely in the cloud. From here on, you can open your report or download it and directly send it to all the stakeholders in your company, so you don't waste any time. So now we want to see the results, so the inspection report. So let's go back to the desktop application of Lumiform and let's go to the inspections section. Here you see directly all your completed inspections, so you get a good overview of what's going on in the field. You see who did which checklist at which time, at which location, and also you see the percentage of each inspection, so you get a good feeling of where you should go deeper in. In our case, we want to review the inspection report, which were just created automatically from the system of our annual review of emergency exits. So you just click on it, and now you get like a really good overview of how your inspection went. You get the average score, it's 50%. You get the number of negative answers given, one, and also one issue got raised. And if you want to have more details, you can just scroll down and you can see that everything is logged in this report and all images are added to the report, you can also see that one issue got raised. You can see the status and the assignee, the priority, and the query to which it got raised. And if we update this issue now, it automatically gets updated in the Lumiform report, so you save a lot of manual work. You can download this inspection report anytime as PDF and send it to all the stakeholders from the desktop application. If you have the permission, you can edit the report and also download all the photos to send it to all the stakeholders as well. If you want to see all the issues that got raised and also the issue that we raised in our inspections, you should go to issues and you get like a really good overview of all the issues and their status, all the assignees, at which site, deadline, and also the priority. And from here, you can manage all the issues. So we see in this case that our issue, which we raised, small obstacles, please solve, is still in pending. Maybe we think now Clara is not the right assignee, so we can go into it and assign someone else. So Michael, update the issue. Michael gets now a notification and can solve the issue. If you want to analyze all the data you collected in the field, you should definitely go to the analytics section. Here you can filter all the data you collected via specific properties, so site, group, user, category, and many more. And you also can go deeper into sub-areas like negative responses, average score, overdue inspections, or issue, and dive deeper into these topics. For example, you can see that we get results of negative responses, and now we want to compare our checklist in terms of negative responses. And we can see that the bathroom cleaning SOP checklist has the most negative responses, and from here on I can dive deeper into it and have a look what the negative responses are, and again can go deeper into the report and can see who triggered or who gave the answer. And this is the way I can optimize my procedures, my inspection procedures all the time, and also can take care about areas that need my help and can find issues even before they occur. If you want to know how you can implement Lumiform in your organization, or if you have any kind of questions, don't hesitate to contact us.
Higher quality and safety in less time without pen and paper. Simply easy. This is Lumiform. Become a Lumi and start your free trial today.